Hey, everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to today's AI news show. I'm your host, Sharon, and we're going to talk about what's happening in AI today. So let's dive right in. If you don't know, now you know. Reddit is a great place to learn about what's going on in AI. They are always very fast with posting new stuff. So I always like to scrape Reddit and see what's happening there. Free AI tools reshaping workflows. Let's see what that list is all about. What are the best free AI tools everyone's using in 2025? ChatGPT, Gemini, CopyAI, Grammarly, NotionAI, DALL-E, 11 Labs, Zapier. I've probably used at least 50% of these tools. And let me tell you something, they're all limited. You can use them all for free, but you're going to definitely miss out on the real deal. They're not going to give you the best features for free. It's just not happening. And if it's going to be so limited that you can hardly do anything. So my tip is grab your 3, 4 tools that really serve you. And I've heard it in the past many times. I'm overwhelmed. Another new tool. You don't have to learn every tool. It's a misconception that you have to understand each tool that is being released. You focus on what you do every day, and then you integrate AI and you stick with that and get better at it. Because if you keep switching tools, you're never going to get good at any of them. NotionAI is one of the tools that I use, and I will never pay for that because I never need advanced docs. All I need is a place to put information and then share with the public. And NotionAI makes it super simple. I'm never going to use the integrated AI because I have my other AIs that can help me and answer my questions. Most of these AIs know everything about Notion, so they can help me create docs and do all that other fancy stuff. And I'll show you guys that in a different video. Qualcomm's new AI accelerator chips are sparking talks as a challenger to Nvidia's dominance. So all the big players are trying to create their own chips because they don't want to be dependent. And it's not very healthy for the market if we only have one chip producer or one chip provider, which is Nvidia. It's not healthy for the market. So we're going to see a lot happening in that field. Now, one thing is super interesting to me. I was thinking about that yesterday. We have, for the first time in our life, a true democratization of technology because we have open source. Now I have access to a tool where I can create high quality images and videos just like Nano Banana, just like ChatGPT image. And I am not paying a dime for it because it's open source. I do have to pay for GPUs though. I have to pay for the compute, but I don't have to use the tools from the big players, which is awesome. This is true democratization. And I think many are not even aware of that. So that is why these big players need to take it a step further. Just building an AI tool is not going to be enough for them to survive in the future. Job impacts and developer roles. I am using AI agents to code for me. I develop a lot. I have developed over 40 apps in the past 2 years. And I must say, without AI, I couldn't do what I am doing. A lot of people say that entry-level jobs might not exist anymore. It could be the case that these AI agents get so good that they can do the whole thing without human intervention. But at the moment, that's not the case. What a lot of people forget is all of these entry-level devs can grab AI and can build awesome stuff. And they can learn along the way. So it might be cool for all these new developers coming to the field to just create their own thing, do their own thing. 1,000+ jobs show high automation risks for roles like data entry and telemarketers. While AI app builders could eliminate traditional coding needs in 3 years by handling backends and UIs from prompts, new programmers are adapting by learning alongside AI. This is now the time to start thinking about this. Build your own stuff. Create your little side hustle. There's so much opportunity out there. And I truly believe that things will be changing, that jobs today will look completely different in 10 years from now. But for the ones that watched Andrej Karpathy's latest interview with Dwarkesh, I hope I'm pronouncing his name right. I always get that messed up. I'm so sorry. He said we're 10 years away from having fully functioning AI agents. But what I love here, new programmers are adapting by learning alongside AI. AI app builders will kill the needs for developers within 3 years, and that's not a bad thing. I want to know from you, do you agree with this? And also, why is it not a bad thing? I would love to know. Please leave a comment. I read them all. Positive angles focus on R&D gains, research and development, that's what that means. But users highlight downsides like energy, water pollution from AI infrastructure, and how reinforcement learning might dumb down models while increasing dangers. AI is seen as a mirror of human biases with calls for better alignment. Sovereign AI projects like the UK's renewable powered zone aim to secure data borders. Safety and security is going to be a huge topic moving forward, right? Getting these things to work properly and getting these things to be secure. So there's a lot of opportunity in that field too. Emerging tools and integrations. AI browsers like Neo are praised for seamless integration into workflows, feeling natural. RAG advancements such as Light RAG and Nanograph RAG are solving update and retrieval issues. Ensemble learning in ML is drawing parallels to crypto like Ethereum. So there is a new browser called Neo. And believe me, there are going to be so many more browsers coming into the field. This is so funny because we do have open source AI browser tools too. I have one on my computer and I will be talking about that in a different video. I am going to be starting an AI coding channel and I will be sharing all my workflows there, what I code. You guys can have access to the projects. You can have access to how I do it. I am so looking forward to this. I did do a deep dive on this. I have an article on my site and I will be sharing that in the description below. So dear friend, that's all I got for you today. We are going to be back on Friday with our weekly AI deep dive. So you guys take care and we'll be back soon. Peace out.